Vincent Reganey here with Flat Screen Clean. How many of us have flat and touchscreen devices in our lives, and you know how hard it is to keep them clean and streak free? Well, I'm a professional house cleaner by trade. I messed up one of my customers' TVs one day using a name brand cleaner. Streaks all over. I came up with a solution: Flat Screen Clean. I personally tested Flat Screen Clean on over 20,000 units to date. I call it real time, real dirt, real results. Flat Screen Clean is your one-stop shop, all in one. Flat and touchscreen cleaning product that's both alcohol and ammonia free. That means you no longer have to have multiple cleaners for all your devices, just one. And it's as simple as 1, 2, 3 to keep all your screens clean. But today I'm going to do, who put my hands all over my TV and my tablet? And now I got handprints all over my screen. Let me shut this off for you. There we go. So as you can see, there's a bunch of handprints on the screen. And if we have children, we have a bunch of little fingerprints at the bottom of the screen. How many of us have that? And then we have our tablets that we use every day. So if you have hand cream. So basically what I did was I used hand cream and then I touched the screen. You know, we all have that one friend that you're sitting at your computer or your tablet or wherever, and they go, "Oh, I like that," and then they touch your screen. And I'm like, okay. Unless it's a touch screen, then okay, they have to touch it. But hey. So, simple test today. Removing handprints from the TV and tablet. So with our 16 by 16 inch super blue microfiber towel, simply shake, spray, and wipe, and repeat if necessary. So like I said, I'm a professional house cleaner by trade. So it missed, the Flat Screen Clean missed onto the screen. See how it missed? There you go, you can see that really good. So it will not streak. Streak. So I'll get into what you get and the price as soon as I'm done cleaning these screens. Now, if you have seen my other videos that I have put out, you've seen me put obviously hand cream, lipstick, permanent marker, kids paint, peanut butter, Nutella, and everything else in between. And as you can see, it's not clean, it's Flat Screen Clean. Now for the tablet here. Now obviously we use our tablets probably every day. I know I do. And you can see how messed up that is. So that's basically fingerprints and created by hand cream. Same thing, shake, spray, and wipe, repeat if necessary. So I'll get into what you get and the price. And you're going to like what you get and the price. So you can check out our other videos on our product page. You'll see I did extreme videos at my customers' homes. And as you can see, look at that. That's clean. No, that's Flat Screen Clean. So yeah, you could look at our other videos and actually see what the other uses Flat Screen Clean is used for. So what I used today was, this is the 8-ounce bottle. So what you get for the 8-ounce bottle, you get the 8-ounce bottle, you get the super blue microfiber towel, and then you get this nice little insert card. Take this out, tuck it away. It's nice. You can put it in your desk. Has all the information on it. How to use Flat Screen Clean if you need to get in contact with us or whatever. $14.95 free shipping for everybody. If you have Prime, obviously you get free shipping. But if you don't have Prime, free shipping. It's that simple. So then we have our 4-ounce bottle of Flat Screen Clean. This is $12.95 plus shipping and handling. And what you also get with that is you get the 16 by 16 inch super blue microfiber towel, and then you also get the insert card again. All this information that you can have and just tuck it away. Don't throw it away, tuck it away. Put it away so you can just have it for reference. And then we have our travel size, which is our 2-ounce size. And then with this one, you get a 12 by 12 medium-sized super blue microfiber towel. This is for your travel needs. So you could tuck this away. You could take this on the airplane if you want, and keep your clean screen there. And then what we have, that's $8.95 plus shipping and handling also for that. And then we have the mini super blue microfiber towel, which is $1.95 plus shipping and handling. And that is for your glasses. So if you just use it, it's simple. Those of you who have wear glasses, you will love this product on your glasses, because right now I'm looking at that screen right there and it is so blurry because I don't have my glasses on. But you will see the world differently when you use Flat Screen Clean on your glasses. It's much clearer. Very clear, actually. So, we're here to meet your needs on keeping all your screens clean. Like I said, a professional house cleaner by trade. I messed up one of my customers' TVs. That was my problem, and I had to come up with a better solution. And I came up with the solution, Flat Screen Clean. So I love going into clients' homes and testing out on new products. When something new comes to the market, our customers like buy it. For example, Curve TV. If you have a Curve TV, relatively new, it'll clean it. So if you need to know any information, or if you want to contact us, you can contact us. Our phone number's out there, or you can email us through Amazon, or you can email us however you want to, and order yours today. Also, there's more. If you order $20 or more on our Amazon site, so say you want the 4-ounce bottle, the 2-ounce bottle, and the mini super blue microfiber towel, that's $20 or more, you're going to get free shipping. Free shipping. That is one heck of a deal. But you know what? You're also going to get, on one of these products, you're also going to get an additional $1 off on it. So if you like what you see, act now and order yours today. And remember, Flat Screen Clean. It's not clean, it's Flat Screen Clean. Now act now and order yours today. We use priority mail shipping, so if you order tonight, I can have it out to you tomorrow, and you'll have it in 2 days. Thank you, and have a great evening.